Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to my first YouTube video of Edwin Loves. So basically my channel is on stuff that I enjoy doing or stuff that I love, and I love pop Funkos. So today I'll be unboxing 6 of these mini zombie marble boxes. This is what the box looks like. And there's a chance to get 3 of these exclusives. She-Hulk, Gambit, or Deadpool. Deadpool carrying a taco. Most likely an al pastor taco. If you've never had an al pastor taco, you guys should try it. It's delicious. Just go to any taco truck and ask for it and you guys won't be disappointed. But this is the guy that I really want to get because Venom is awesome. He's one of my favorite Marvel characters, and yeah, hopefully I get them. Okay guys, so let's open our first zombie mini box. Cool, yeah, I just hope I get Venom. I really want to get him. He's awesome. Alright. I wonder what character it's gonna be. Oh, nice. So we got the gray Deadpool. Looks awesome. Cool. Yeah, I think he's one of the exclusives for sure. That's great. First one and exclusive already. Nice. I have this little rotating thing that I bought, and I'll just show you what it looks like. So guys, it's an exclusive. It's cool. That's what this guy looks like. Awesome. And let's go to box number 2. Excited. Box number 2. And who is it gonna be? Oh, we got Magneto. Oh, it's I can't even stand. Whoa, this is Magneto. Looks very cool. Just very well designed. Look, you can see through his eyeball. It's awesome. His cape's all torn up. It's a very cool pop. Just don't know why it can't stand still. Kinda, just for a little bit, but that's awesome. Already 2 awesome. Cool. Alright, let's go with mystery box number 3. Cool. Oh, got the Phoenix. Nice. That one she looks really dead. It's awesome though, just the details, the wings of the Phoenix in the back. It looks awesome. Oh, I'm so glad I don't want to jinx it because then I might jinx it, so I won't say it. But cool, 3 different ones so far. Alright, box number 5. Who is it gonna be? Oh, Gambit. He looks awesome. Just that flame thing looks great. Cool. That's Gambit. Looks great. Alright. Number 5. Box number 5. Whoa, the Hulk, like that little puddle effect it has right there, that puddle right there, ooze coming out of his chest. That looks awesome. Just the details. I really don't collect any of the minis, but just want to give it a try, see if I can get something cool, and so far so good. Yeah, look at that Hulk. This angry face looks awesome. Alright, so still didn't get my Venom, but I'm hopeful. Let's see what we get in this one. Oh, we got Wolverine. Nice. I like the details on this Wolverine. You can see his rib cage and everything. Looks awesome. Nice. Yeah, so cool. I got 6 different ones. That's cool. Usually, like, you get duplicates. But yeah, I got 6 different ones, and I got an exclusive, which is that's so cool about that. This guy right here. We got Magneto. Let's put him in the back. Oh, keeps falling. Hang out with Hulk right here. Catch him, Hulk. I can't even see him. But yeah, this is Magneto right here again. So cool. And then Deadpool once more. He's excited because he has a taco. That's why he's dancing. And the Phoenix right here too. Awesome, cool. Her wings look amazing. And then the Hulk. Just the details on the Hulk is awesome. It's the backside of him. And then Wolverine. I'm for sure gonna get more of these because I'm still missing a few more. That's for sure. I'm just glad I didn't get any duplicates. And then Gambit. Looks awesome. Yeah, my favorite for sure is the exclusive. It's this one. And these are my 2 favorites. I just really like Deadpool is probably like my 2nd favorite Marvel character. That's why. That's so cool. Nice. Well, those were my 6 mystery boxes. As you guys can see, I have some of the Marvel zombie pops as well. I just got these 3. The zombie Wolverine. Looks cool. And then I have my favorite zombie Venom. And like I said, Deadpool is my 2nd favorite. That's why I have him. Nice. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will try to make as much content as possible to bring it out to you guys, and make it as unique as possible. Thank you for coming in and checking on my unboxing. Hopefully one of these days I get better video and lighting and everything, and I'll go from there. But for right now, this is what I'm going to be doing, some unboxing. But yeah, thank you for giving me your time, and I appreciate it, and hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye.